If your team creates content, manages campaigns, or juggles multiple projects at once, you know how crucial it is to keep data organized and easy to update. Two tools dominate this space when it comes to flexible content management: Airtable and Google Sheets. They may look similar at first glance, but the way they handle structure, automation, and collaboration can completely change how you work. Airtable also links data between tables, which is a big advantage for complex workflows. For example, you can connect your list of writers to your list of assignments, automatically track which posts are in progress, and even attach design files or briefs right inside the record. It is a database under the hood, but it feels as easy as a spreadsheet. Automations are another strong feature. You can set triggers to send Slack notifications, update fields, or remind teammates about deadlines without manually checking anything. For content workflows, Airtable's flexibility stands out. It can double as both a content calendar and a light project management tool. The interface is colorful, intuitive, and visual, which helps creative teams stay engaged instead of buried in formulas. However, that power comes with a price. Airtable's free plan works fine for small teams. But once you start adding automations, large attachments, or advanced permissions, you will need a paid plan. Google Sheets is the classic option. It is simple, fast, and accessible from anywhere. For teams already using Google Workspace, it fits right into your daily flow. You can open a shared sheet, assign rows to teammates, drop in deadlines, and collaborate in real time without worrying about version control. It is ideal for smaller content teams that need a quick place to track assignments, publish dates, and performance metrics. The interface is familiar, the formulas are powerful, and it is easy to integrate with other Google tools like Drive and Calendar. You can even create lightweight dashboards using pivot tables or charts for quick insights. But when your content operation starts to scale, Google Sheets can begin to feel cramped. If you are tracking articles, videos, assets, deadlines, and contributors, things can get messy fast. That is where Airtable steps in. Airtable takes the spreadsheet concept and builds it into something more visual and relational. You still have rows and columns, but you can turn your data into views that actually match how you work. Want a calendar view for your content schedule? It is built in. Need a Kanban board for your production pipeline? One click and you have it. Both tools are excellent for managing content workflows. Airtable turns your data into an interactive workspace that scales with your team. Google Sheets keeps things straightforward and efficient for teams that value speed and simplicity. If you think of Google Sheets as the reliable notepad of data, Airtable is the creative studio built on top of it. The best choice depends on whether you need structure or flexibility. But either way, both make managing your content far smoother and smarter.